You already know it is. It's your boy Marketing with Dom here for another edition of the best marketer in the game for you, also the #1 trainer in the business. And today we're going to talk about a simple concept, which is how to start OnlyFans with no money. Okay, a lot of creators come in and they're just like, I wish I could get training from you. I wish I could join your mastermind. I wish I could learn from you, but I don't have the money. How can I do something with zero money? All right, so let's get right into it. First, there's 3 pieces of an OnlyFans business. There's your traffic, you're converting them into subscribers, and then you're taking those subscribers and you making sales. But today, we're only going to talk about one thing. We're going to talk about a strategy called traffic, okay? Traffic is the name of this video, all right? And the traffic is the point of this video. How to begin, zero money, how to get your traffic, to get conversions, to get to the sales, okay? We're going to talk about getting free subscribers with hard work. Because there's only 2 ways to really make money in any industry, which is work hard or have money work for you, right? To get to the money to work for you, that's all hard work in its own. So we're going to talk about how to get free traffic with hard work, okay? If you're not taking notes, stop watching my videos, our video, because taking notes is super important to understand the concept, to implement, to actually do. It's important. Now that we're already about a minute and 20 seconds in, let's get it popping, all right? If you are ready for my gold, you must like and subscribe to my page. And I say this, why? Because I teach everybody this in the business. No one is going to promote you like you can. So I promote myself in every single video, and you can see it. You could be upset, but no one's going to promote you like you can. No one's going to promote me like I can. So that's why I got you here, okay? So, but while we're in here, let's get right into it. Let's break this down, because I'm going to get straight into this video. So let's go with Instagram for a cause, okay? You're an Instagram model, creator in any niche. In any niche. I don't care what niche you're in, okay? And if you're looking to create it, so let's say you're a hot girl, right? Let's go with this. Hot girl. I'm just going to really just show you, because this is what, I'm not even joking. You could be hot guy. You could be hot anything. You could be a cook. You could be a lawyer. I don't care. This method will work for you, and it will definitely work for OnlyFans creators, right? Let's go with hot girl. Let's you know what? My bad. Hashtag hot girl. Boom. Look at all these people who are going to be posting in this hashtag, right? What we do is we look at top posts. I'm looking for somebody who kind of looks like me. Although I don't look like any of these people. I can show you my example, but I'll show you. If you're a hot girl, look like bam, okay, I look like, someone. You don't have to look exactly like her, but you'd be like, yo, I can fit in this category. Okay, 4 minutes. Not that big of a, Let's see. Let's keep looking. Let's look around. 6 minutes. Top post. Let's look over here. Right? See, what I want to show you is this. Most people, everybody using the hot girl summer over here. You know what I'm saying? Let's look at something that was more out of time. Let's go deeper in here. Look at this. Look at OnlyFans creator right here. Right? You know what I'm saying? They got people right here. Hot girl summer. This is a really hot hashtag. People are using this like crazy. Let's see. Boom. See, I should have just picked the top one. All right, so let's say this is the thing. What people don't understand is, this ain't even in English, but the reality is this. You can go and find creators who look kind of like you. You probably already know some. Instagram creators, models you look up to, people you're like, oh, if she can do it, I could do it. If he can do it, I can do it. If that person can do it, I can do it. You know them. They're popping already, right? So what you do is you poach. This is business one-on-one. You see all these people who are lonely, not getting any attention? I'd do this right here. I like their stuff. I would like all of their stuff. And if I thought it was a pretty cool person, you know what I'm saying, or a person that I think would be interested in my content, I'd click on this page. I'd hit one of these right here. You know what I'm saying? I'd be like, yo, let's message this guy. Why not? Let's give him a message. Look, I'd be like, hey. Start of a conversation. Most people on Instagram, at any rate, I'm going to tell you, don't get many people to hit them up. Most guys, most girls, most fans, nobody's really hitting them up. It gives you major opportunity for this. And you can do this on any platform. You can do this on Twitter. You can do this on TikTok. It doesn't matter. Spend a couple hours a day generating yourself your own leads. And I promise you, in 30 days, you will have a game changer. And one thing I do know from being on this platform, you don't need an extreme amount of subscribers to get to the money. So what a lot of people are going to do is they're going to try to get this random person to pay right off the gate, but they don't know you. Got to build a brand. You got to give something in exchange for value. How about a free trial? How about an opportunity for someone to come follow you and talk to you on another platform where you're able to not be censored across what you send to them, and you tell them that I don't have to be censored on Instagram. If you come to OnlyFans, I don't have to be censored, and you can get content that I'm not allowed to put here. Period. You can do that. You're able to do that. So let's look at this. I'm an OnlyFans agency, right? So let's go OnlyFans agency, right? I run an OnlyFans agency. I can go OnlyFans agency. Is there a hashtag? They probably blocked the hashtag too, right? OnlyFans Bunny agency. Look, they don't even have the hashtag up here, right? But look at all these agencies. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this everywhere. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. It's crazy. Look, you see it pop it up? So I could click here, right? They got 30,000 subscribers, right? I could come looking through here. Let's click on a page. Let's see if anybody's interested, right? These people are, check out my OnlyFans, right? So she has an OnlyFans, 500 subscribers. She's over here telling people to check out her OnlyFans. I'd hit her with the 1-2, right? Let's see if I can, see, don't let you follow her. Who cares? I'm like, yo, need help with your OnlyFans? I'm hitting her right now. Hey, need help? Why? Because I'm a savage, right? And when you're in business, when people are being under, like what I call under, getting no attention, when people aren't getting attention, it's your time to get attention. Most like post here, right? We got creators here. Look at these. I'm pretty sure these are all other creators. Look, let's click over here. See what she does. She's on Baddies. She got 300,000 subscribers. She probably already has an agency. Looking at this, Max Club, Baddie Club. National Growth Social Media Influencer, Bad Brand, Photography. Let's see. Boom. Click on them. Look it. Go ahead, baby. Boom. Let me see what this person's doing. Is this person doing the same thing? Nope. I don't see it on OnlyFans here. So I'm just doing research, right? You can do this in any niche to find your system. Find your guys. Find your girls to subscribe to your page. Find girls as an agency. It doesn't matter. You can use this tactic. It costs no money to do the work. Do the work. Go through about 2 hours. We're only in here for 7 minutes. If I would have stayed on here for an hour, I promise you, I have about 15 minimum people lined up today. Literally, hey, what's up? This is what you're looking to do? Hey, look at this. And with guys or with girls or with fans, it's a lot easier to catch their attention because most people aren't getting their attention. Most people aren't trying to get their attention. But for the ones who are hungry, starting from the bottom, you got no money, you're trying to build a brand, it is your duty, your obligation to do that. To build from nothing. But most people just want it easy. So I'm going to get off this video. That's just quick. Take notes. Come in here, do research, find the people, message the people who are unattended to. Look at all these people who are on here. These people are all probably in the industry. They're going to be like, who is this person, random person, liking my stuff? Boom, I go back. Let's go back another one. I'm actually going to continue. You can drop the video. Please make sure you subscribe to my page. Please make sure you leave a comment. But I'm going to just keep doing research. So you can watch as long as you want. But I'm going to see what I can do. And I'm going to tell you guys the update, right? So we're going to look at pictures. I don't really like this agency. I think this agency boo-boo. They look like they got a lot of subscribers, but they ain't got no gas, okay? So let's not gas them like that. So let's go back to OnlyFans agencies. Let's go. Let's see who else is on here. Who's this? What's this? First thing to pop up. Killing the game. OnlyFans agency. Ooh, April 1st. A year 7. Is that 700,000? Oh my God, it's almost a milli. Jeez. Only bunnies, bro. Why everybody got my only bunnies in their name, dude? Only bunny agency. Shit. Let's see what they got over here. Let's click on some links. I actually know these guys. Oh my God. Yo, these guys have my fucking logo, cuz. That's crazy. I think I know. Oh, I do know these guys. She's just cold. Y'all over here watching. I know who they are. But you know what? I don't care. Dang, look at, they got a car. I wonder if they fake this. Look at, this shit crazy. Only Bunny. Dang. Let's go to Twitter. Only Bunny. I think I was just there on their Instagram. They're killing it. Wow. Wow. I think I know these guys. Whatever. But let's go to the next one. Hey, you know what I'm saying? Hey, if people aren't copying what you're doing, you ain't doing it right. You know what I'm saying? That's all I got to say. You ain't doing nothing right. Let's see who else is out here doing things. Let's see who else is in here. TNT, OnlyFans agency. Oh, they everywhere out here, man. I should just say the word OnlyFans agency. You know what I'm saying? Everybody looking for an OnlyFans agency. I don't pop up anywhere. You gotta find me on YouTube. Catch me, gang. You know what I'm saying? It's Daddy Agency. Damn, it's Daddy. Who's this? Oh, Daddy gone. Daddy didn't survive, good. Daddy didn't survive. Let's press enter, dude. Daddy didn't survive. Here's another one. Dot agency. OnlyFans agency. Dot agency. I should just put my shit at OnlyFans agency. See what I get up. You know what I'm saying? Because I get in this research. I'm a competitor. You know what I'm saying? I can't hashtag. I should stop using the hashtag then, huh? Because I be using the hashtag only. Dang, that's why they got me. They stopped showing my stuff because I'm using the hashtag OnlyFans agency, and they ain't even allowing dudes out here to survive. Wow. Hire OnlyFans model, guarantee play, plus percentage of revenue. Dang. 95% of OnlyFans creators who work alone make only $5. I like these guys. I like this. Dang, that's kind of true though. What creators they got? Oh, they got 1, 2 creators. Oh, I like these guys. You know what I'm saying? You see what I'm saying? I'm not going to start poaching people because I got my own travel link. But hey, for you creators, y'all need to get in here and poach. You know what I'm saying? Y'all need to come in here and get it. I'm out. You already know what it is. It's your boy Marketing with Dom, another edition. Hey, do your research. This is the research I do all the time to figure things out. Like, who is this person? Is this even somebody they own? They ain't even tagging them in here. You know what I'm saying? Shoot, this is me right here. I need to switch that up to, I'm about to edit this up right now. I'm going to switch that to say OnlyFans agency. Because I need to get research when you find me, boy. I need to be the trophy with the rope. You know what I'm saying? These creators out here getting to the bag. All right, so too late. I'm out. I'm going to see y'all next time. Hey, make sure y'all subscribe and love my channel. Till it.